Okay, we have Lowrance Elite-7 HDI. Customer complaint is Page's button isn't working. So let's test it real fast. Okay, so that Page's button is in fact not working, like the customer said. What we're gonna do is we're working late tonight to catch up on some work. It's about quarter past midnight right now, so we're gonna tear this thing apart real fast. Try to quickly fix this Page's button. Give it a good test, and hopefully we can get home pretty soon. So. Alright guys, here's another one fixed. We repaired the Pages button on this unit here. Again, dirty contacts. It's not usually the case with these units. With this style keypad, usually the contacts fail or the board fails due to corrosion. A lot of times the enter and menu buttons right here break. The rubber around this breaks. Moisture gets in, corrodes the board, but wasn't the case with this one. We lucked out. Good cleaning did the trick, and this one's good to go. We're going to invoice the customer, ship this out.